Hi. If you follow to this point of the tutorial, I want to say a big congratulations to you. You are on your way to becoming a certified web and mobile app developer. Okay, and you want to ask what next? You are on your journey, and there are a lot of things, a few things you still need to learn. You need to know how to use CSS to style your page. You also need to know how to use Bootstrap, a framework to make your design faster and quick. You need to know how to use JavaScript, and you also need to do back end. But if you have gotten to this point, that means you're determined. And don't forget, a lot of persons start on their journey to becoming programmers, but eventually don't go on to continue. Why? They are busy. Don't be found wanting. Okay, there are a few features we're going to cover in HTML5, like the Google geolocation, things like web storage, how to store data on your phone. You need the knowledge of JavaScript to do that. And if I start teaching that, it's going to confuse you. And so avail yourself and this time and master this and be the best you can be at this point. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to go like our videos, share, and let's reach as many people as possible. My name is Chike Okoli, and I remain your lead instructor and the founder of your tutorials. See you in our CSS class. Thank you.